Hey YouTube world, I need a little help. For some reason, I just bought this car. Got a 2021 or 2022? 2021, I think. Acura TLX, and it been making this pop sound in the stereo. I don't know if you can hear it. Hold on. You hear that? The pop, 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 and it's annoying. It comes in and out, but recently it been um, doing more frequently, and I just only had this car for 3 months, and I think I want to return it because I'm like, okay, I'm finna go return this car and get something else. But I need y'all help out here. What should I do? I may take it back to the dealership, but is there any way I could? Do you hear it? Yeah, it's getting worse. Yeah, I'm hearing maybe the amplifier connection, but is there any way that I can do a quick fix without me costing anything, or should I take it to the dealership? All right, let me know.